California until 6:45 p.m. At 3:15 p.m. 45 p.m. At 3:50 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include 29 Palms Airport,